Welcome to the Safe Place channel. Are you ready for a math quiz? Let's see how many you can get right. 20 math problems are waiting for you. Ready? Go! Division, Grade 3 Math Quiz. Let's start with 96 divided by 8. Three, 2, 1. Well done! It's 12. Can you solve 70 divided by 2? Three, 2, 1. The answer is 35. Solve this, 88 divided by 8. Three, 2, 1. The result is 11. Give it a try. 81 divided by 9. Three, 2, 1. That makes 9. What is 95 divided by 5? Three, 2, 1. Correct. It's 19. Can you solve this? 88 divided by 4? Three, 2, 1. The answer is 22. What is 63 divided by 3? Three, 2, 1. The result is 21. Try this one. 99 divided by 3. Three, 2, 1. Nice work! It's 33. Can you solve this? 98 divided by 7. Three, 2, 1. The answer is 14. What is 80 divided by 5? Enjoying the quiz? Like and subscribe for more. 3, 2, 1. Nice work! It's 16. Let's take a quick breather. Are you doing well so far? Keep going. What is 64 divided by 8? Three, 2, 1. The answer is 8. Can you solve 56 divided by 8? Three, 2, 1. The result is 7. Try this one. 91 divided by 7. Three, 2, 1. That's right. It's 13. What is 54 divided by 9? Three, 2, 1. That makes 6. How much is 100 divided by 10? Three, 2, 1. Correct. It's 10. What is 72 divided by 4? Three, 2, 1. The answer is 18. Can you solve 90 divided by 6? Three, 2, 1. That's right. It's 15. What is 84 divided by 3? Three, 2, 1. That makes 28. Try this one. 75 divided by 3. Three, 2, 1. Well done! It's 25. And here comes the last one. What is 96 divided by 3? Three, 2, 1. That makes 32. Great job! Keep practicing and have fun with math. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to watch our other videos. See you next time!